example, when we go to the club, okay, I notice that their eyes eyeballing me. You get what I'm saying? That they're looking and they're curious, but then it's not a type of thing that like, you know.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I like that because it gets me
Ukubhekwa.
special treatment.
ukubukela abantu ukuthi uxwalile.
So hard
Mama.
ukushela umfana thina ezamantombazane. Cabanga sengine-disability
Washela
ngiyahamba.
wena?
No. Sengine-disability I'm going lapha ngi-approach normal guy ngithi I like you. Uzocabangani?
Uyazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukuthi u-approach intombazane?
No.
Welcome to heaven. Chok kwenye nenyulo mfana mekethere msake show stuff. Mfana unganazandla wenza izinto zenzeke ngithi uye. Ngithanda abangithandayo, ngithanda abangizondayo cause asikho isikhathi sokugcwalisa inhliziyo ngezinto ezimbi. Love us. Please continue showing love. We back. Unlimited Cares episode 6 baby.
Yeah.
Danko.
Yeah.
Surely when you see the faces we have, it's about to go down.
Ovi.
Yithi laba.
Sila.
I'm not alone. I'm never alone.
Excuse me.
I'll let my gents introduce themselves first.
Gents
Yeah.
first.
Yo, what up? My name is TK,
You sure?
but I said my name is Zayn, so I'm Zayn
Nazar.
from Fostora Section 28. Danko.
Dango. And
Yo, ish. Kusema fitu. Kikalushiso. Yeah.
Tweka. And we have the beautiful lady with us. Surely you know the face. Cause I mean, into enhle ikhohlwa noma kanjani. We are here with.
Hi guys, it's your girl Vuchila aka V.
For sure. Guys, surely by now niyazi ukuthi we are here to educate, to showcase,
Yes.
To have fun.
to have fun. Yabo.
Yes.
So I want this to
Put your phone away, nigga.
Ah,
Put your phone away, bruh.
really?
So,
Really, dog. Table manners, my G.
am I the only one using my phone?
Okay.
No,
So-
you're the only one.
Like you
using
don't
your
tell
phone.
this cut say to
Bruh. Fella, what did die?
I am so sorry.
Fella, what
You
did
know we
die?
don't use phones.
Come on,
Yeah,
dog.
wait.
Dye your manners
Yes.
like you dyed your hair, bruh. Have
But
manners.
yeah, man, let's start this by ngifuna define a disability by your own words.
Yo.
Yabo. By your own words, you don't like guy ukuthi gogo lethini nani like what
My
is
own words.
disability? Kuya ngawe.
In my own words.
Yeah, angazi iqalephi.
Does it have a role? Or you
Cela
just-
icala
Oh, ngiqale lana
Ayi,
mina.
ungayicala.
Okay.
Besize kuthokozana.
Ah,
Izogcina ngami.
I'll go second. It's fine.
For me, disability. Angisho ngamagama wethu. So for me, disability it's like a condition. Yabo. And disability. Man. Ngibeke kanjani ngikhulume nge-disability as a term or
Like
ngikhulume
ngendlela-
ngathi
nga-
physical disability ngathi ne.
Yeah, cause vele.
Yeah, let me not
Yeah.
include amanye ama-disability
Yeah.
mentally nani.
Yes, cause physically.
But yeah, physical disability for me it's like just being built differently abled and you are limited in some things. Yabo.
Yeah.
It's not a bad thing though, cause I mean bakhona abantu aba-able labangakwazi like able people are also limited even though like ingabonisi kangako but
Definitely.
yabo bafana ngifuna ukuqamba manganyaporeka kawo
Why?
kawo sitsheleni manje ngafuna ukubelana siyeke esivayeni kawo
Sorry.
Ah, mara guys.
Okay, askisina.
Mina bengicheck ama notes.
Ah,
Ngiyaporeka.
ngiyaporeka
Skis.
ngiyaporeka
Okay, skis.
but yeah man disability it's like it's not a bad thing ukuba limited because also able-bodied people are like limited yabo like zikhona ezinye izinto abangakwazi ukuzenza so it's just about being built differently. Yeah, I think that's all.
For real.
Built
Built differently in which way though?
like physical wise, like appearance wise.
right bakazokuhamba kahle.
But there are those who are disabled in mental.
That's why I
Sithe
said I'm not
asikhulumi.
including.
Asikhulumi
Yabona,
You were
if
not
you are not
listening.
busy with your phone,
You
you
should
are
have
going.
heard
Yeah.
ukuthi
Explain not
asi
talking
include
about
sikhuluma nge-physical disability only.
So,
But yeah, let's not waste time bafethu
but yeah,
let's
Vuji.
Hey, for me, ne, like disability is like, how can I put it? Like having certain limitations, yabo, to doing things. I think that's how I can put it. Yeah.
Hey man.
Yes.
Nah, for me, no offense. So I don't really think people are disabled. You know, I don't view it in that way. I just feel like people are made differently. You know, because we are all meant to go through different things in life. So I don't really view disabled people as disabled people. I don't really view my friends as disabled people. Like, it's just normal people. I grew up with normal people. So TK, for example, or normally for me in my eyes, Max is normal because he does everything that a normal person does,
That's
except
sad, bro.
certain things that require hands. Yeah, well,
Me, I'm telling you now. bro,
As
that's
in
sad,
that
bro.
show.
Like,
for
That's
me,
the
for
thing,
me,
If I don't have hands, I
For
don't have
me,
hands,
bro.
and it's under the umbrella called disability.
I'm not
Physical
saying
so
you
what
have
is
hands.
disability
I'm
to
just-
you?
It's
To
bad.
me,
Yeah,
disability,
sugarcoat.
disability is not a thing to me, dog.
It's not a thing.
Everybody's just made differently, dog. Everyone has a different experience in life. You get me? So that's why,
Okay.
you know, when I grew up, I never considered myself disabled per se. I was just like, you know, visual different. I was built different. You get me? Like my friends, when my friends tease me about a disability, I don't even take it personal, dog. On thought, it's part of my personality. Nah. It's like me saying to you, I'm fit to when you brush your teeth and you say, "Cow, please pick up what." I'm like, use your hands. I don't view you as disabled because you can do it, bruh.
When did-
we personally, I won't be against your opinion, but for me, feel like answer yakho iyashoda, but it's fine. It's the way you view things. We cannot, like, it's the way you view things, and that's also fine.
yeah.
But you don't view disability as disability. It's just that
Yeah.
we are all different, and that's fair.
It's God's will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
TK matanon matai. Matai yo menas.
Hayi kalusha ngikhinya ta. Like mina ntwana disability ne. Ngiviewer like mina ngifuna ukuthi like abantu mabangibona bangangitreat differently from other people, you understand?
Exactly.
Define
bro.
disability. That's the question.
Oh sorry. Like disability makao yini inkinga yakho?
Yeah, ngizaka.
Bheka disability ne. Like disability means ukuthi umuntu, a person has a capability to do something, but not the same pace as someone that is able. You understand? Like there are certain people that are able-bodied, ne, but they can do something. Like I'm gonna give you an example. Like at work, ne, they would tell us, "Uguti, we have to dismantle something. Like for example, dismantling a server, ne. A server has like maybe
There's
18
layers.
ama-column lawa kanje ne 18 columns ne. A server has 18 columns, so like they will tell us ukuthi you should disassemble this and take a board where a board goes, take a metal where metal goes, take all the screws where the screws go, you understand? But mina, I feel like, judging from work, like they give us a special treatment. You understand? So mina, i-definition
But
yam,
it's a good thing.
i-definition
Isn't it a good thing?
maximum ngalahi ngisazama ngizeza lapha. I-definition yam of i-disability ukuthi like people who can do things the same as other people. It's just that we are not the same. but we cannot do the same. We cannot do things at the same
Opposite,
speed.
Ntwana.
No,
We cannot do things at the
we
same
can't
speed.
go.
Opposite.
We
You
don't
You
go
guys are
through
not
the
even
same.
defining
No,
yourself.
listen.
You guys
What-
are
what-
going
what-
the
no.
opposite
Straight
direction.
No,
guys,
guys.
off ramp.
Pay attention. Look,
Just
what
2
he's saying.
sentences, we done.
I
I'm
think
faithful.
what he's trying to
Oh,
say.
so-
ne,
You're telling
You
us
went
that
into a man
we
colon.
don't. We
I don't
like
understand
look.
what is
Okay,
feeling in my
look.
colon.
For example, whoa. For example, when what can I say? When a normal person tries to do something, like for example, let's do with you, you don't have hands, sharp. When a normal person tries to pick up something, they do it instantly, yabo. But when you do it, you go a certain process
Yeah, that's what
to
I'm trying
doing
to say.
that thing.
This is literally
So
I'm
what
trying
he's trying to say is that
Thokozani also mentioned that
what
we are doing like things the same. It's just that we take more time.
Time.
We are not
Yes,
doing the things the
you-
same. Talk.
exactly
You're not
that's
doing
what
the
he's
things
trying
the
to
same.
say. He's trying to say that you're not doing the things the same.
No, he said
You
we
go
are doing
through a
them
process.
The same. It's
No,
just that we take
that's
not what
long.
he
Am I lying?
said.
You're not lying.
Am I taking keep? Thank you. That's what
But
you
this
said,
is-
right?
And no, like,
Kereka,
what
Zama
I'm-
or something,
Makusho kanjalo,
But like,
man.
okay.
Ngama ngisho kanjani?
How?
No,
Mara
i-
usho
Imo,
kanjalo,
okay,
sharp.
Imo. What I'm trying to explain is like you see what Kalush is saying. It's similar to what he's saying. Like Uti, like okay, we don't do things the same, but it takes us longer to achieve those things.
Exactly.
Young Tol. That's what I'm trying to say. Uti, like we can do things as able-bodied people can do. It's just that it takes us longer. Not longer. Like let's say maybe we have an assignment to complete. Like not come on, ChatGPT.
Excuse.
Not using like
Maria assignment,
computers
yes,
or a pen. Like practical work, ne?
Are you aware that there are people abahleli kuma wheelchair abangakwazi ukuzenzela like next,
Yeah, I'm aware.
and that's also under disability. So you can't include ukwenza izinto slow and there are people who can't do nothing at all, and that's also included in disability. So
Yeah,
give
man.
it another try, my friend. Let's define disability.
Kwe.
Define disability.
Being
Okay, sharp him. Okay, let me give it another try.
Don't tell a story.
Define disability. Ne? Disability is when an individual is limited and can't do things the way other people can do them.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Yabona kube sindlulela kudala nini.
That was so much simple.
Athi
than what
story.
she can-
Thokozani naye wathi
Ukalushu.
story.
Ukalushu edit story sakhe bese
Yeah,
bese umake it
I was
bheka
giving
vuchila
example.
bese umake
Was I
it
not?
Amakholom.
Ha magalakia. Espanini. Yo.
okay
But no lie
ngiyaqolisa
though,
ke
yeah.
But yeah, man.
We're giving examples, though.
Nangihlekisa
guys.
guys.
It's fine. It's fine. We understand. It
Guys.
happens.
yo guys this is the Unmuted Chaos podcast.
Issue.
We have Meketi Adams,
our host with the
Vuchila, our
most.
manager. We are here and we are back again. Trust me, Agnes Pinde, we are never disappearing ever again. We are back and we're back forever.
Why are you doing the intro?
No, I'm not doing
It's
it.
not an intro. It's
Like,
by
Is this the time to say this again, though?
You should have said
Guys,
it
in
that
after.
Brazil,
middle
like,
part.
after
isn't it?
the
Sharp, is this the time to say that again?
it's not
Like,
an intro.
It is.
It's like I'm
like the
telling the
middle
people
part.
that we are
You
here.
said welcome.
Yes.
No, not
guys,
don't, you are not.
it's fine.
Don't welcome,
Guys,
but you are welcome.
it's fine.
Enjoy, guys.
May we please be
Oh
here?
my God.
We're
It's
keeping
like-
it raw as
You two
possible.
are-
And
wrong?
then like
Ulona.
now manje like guys on a
Rock and
serious voice note ne. May we please be here?
Do.
Like we are wasting someone's time now.
And we
Ohleli
must
la,
talk about important
usibukele,
stuff,
we are
yeah.
talking about unnecessary stuff that is only funny to us and not doing the main purpose of this thing.
Podcast, yeah.
Podcasting, educating,
Yes.
sharing like informative stories and so on, I guess. So moving on, the question is, how do you want to be viewed beyond disability?
Can I start?
You can start.
Like me now, the way I want people to view me beyond my disability, I want people to see that I'm a normal person. You understand? Like I don't want people to see what the way I walk or the way I see. Like I want people to see that I am a normal person just like as them. Young so I wanna be treated the same. Forgetting about the disability and stuff. Excuse me. Forgetting about all that. Like Uguti, like when we go to places, for example, going to the restaurant, ne? We get there, we chill. Like no, why should people stare at us?
It's life.
Maybe they're
And
curious.
we can't change that.
We
shit.
can't change that.
People
Yeah,
are made
man.
different.
Still gonna happen.
People should be educated. People should educate one another
Even
about such
if-
things.
I don't
Because
think it
you
will
know there are
change.
certain people that we come across and they say ukuthi, "Oh, yambona ukuthi unjani?" Lo bamloyile. They say
Things like that.
Black
yeah.
people.
But sizothini mfethu ingcondo zabo and
I mean, nakhona sila for that, like sizovala leso sikhundla njengoba sila.
I hope sivaleke because every day you
Oh my
meet a new
God,
person.
Yebo.
Uzokubheka still.
My dog.
There's no
Ska-
difference. But ke yeah.
ski.
Ningasabheki uthokozana.
But anyway.
How do you want to be viewed, brother?
And
Let me
manje
share,
sikhuluma
how
kahle.
do you want to be viewed beyond your disability?
Hey man, me I'm not gonna lie and say, you know, I wanna view different. Like I'm already viewed as I wanted to be viewed
Like,
because I grew up with normal people. Like I say this every time. You get what I'm saying? Lie
Ah.
No, not
Everything you
no,
do.
yes.
PR answer. PR answer.
not PR. It's not PR aunt, it's my honesty. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. But it's my honest answer. Mfethu, like ngikhulele here Prontang, ePeria, now yes.
So you are viewed the
So-
way you want to be viewed.
I'm viewed the way I want to be viewed
You
because
lie.
I was
no,
raised.
there's no way.
No,
Fine,
look,
it's
you know
fine,
why?
Bafethu.
My friends, Mfethu, abangani bami base Hillbrook, they don't treat me like an egg.
Leave your
Dog.
friends.
Cow, nabantu abnormal.
course,
Cow, they
they're
are not
there.
even viewed
Okay,
the way they want
for
to
example,
be viewed.
for example, ne? For example, okay, let me be honest. For example, when we go to the club, okay, I noticed that their eyes eyeballing me. You get what I'm saying? That they are looking and they're curious. But then it's not a type of thing that, like, you know.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I like that because it gets you
Ukubhekwa.
special treatment.
Ukubukela abantu ukuthi uxhwalile.
But then to be honest, doesn't it get a special treatment?
It does
It
get a
does,
special
but then-
treatment.
I don't look at the negative. I look at the positive
Ma,
side
wait, listen.
of
Make it.
things
Let me ask you
and
this. Ne?
stuff.
Like, okay, for example, going to a family gathering, ne? And then everyone must come to the kitchen to fetch their food. And then when a bagletsela a tray, for example, like
I was fully under everyone,
you see,
man.
and then bagletsela ukudla nge tray, and
Special.
as they're bringing food for you with the tray, ne, they don't even allow you to take the plate off the tray yourself. They wanna give it to
To
you.
you.
And then they even ask you a question. Wa nyaka hore rakgadi a go jisa.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
facts.
that's
Uyabona
true,
nami
yeah,
kufeme kuma
that's
family gathering. Mayifika kuleyo point boy, like it bores me
Ah,
to
it
the
annoys
For
point.
real,
Yeah.
it bores you
Imagine,
guys.
like, cause sometimes
Annoys
maybe
Uyakwazi
we-
ukuzilandela ukudla
Like,
nje.
Why fanele ungilethele ukudla?
yazi figure
like
to which
it.
level boy, it
How?
easy figure to that level, maybe unalama age group wakho, and then bathi nina, or as you said, everyone or nina do this. Now manje mabathi nina when unalabantu labo, and you can't, not that you can't do it, but they don't want you to be involved in doing that. So kuba ngathi manje like ilesa special treatment ongasifuni, man.
see,
It's like
you see.
awusafuli under category. Mabathi amadoda mawadle bodwa bese wena ulethela iplate, meaning
Ngathi
like
umntwana.
ngathi umntwana awusafuli under that category.
that part.
So yeah, talking about that,
man.
man, it pause.
Pride also
Yeah.
bores me, you know,
Boring
because
shit.
you know what happens. Then let's say there's a ceremony at work. I mean, not at work.
At
At
home,
home,
yeah.
yeah.
I love my job, guys. That's why. You know what happens?
Well.
Ne? Let's say on a mmereko, you know, it's hard at home.
Mm.
Limpopo, you know, Basiyinkomo, basika nan. You know, it's like they automatically limit me. Young soul. It's like they already told themselves that I can't do certain things that I can do.
Bro.
Young soul.
Yeah.
But they don't know that I
you
can do
'cause
those
they're not
things.
giving you a
And
chance.
so like Naseka and Fitz KZN last year when I went to KZN and then we're seeing Komara
besihlinza
whatever. Konaloka dog, relax, bro. We're not speaking Zulu here, we're speaking English. Just improvising for the script. Relax. Mataitai.
Wow.
Chill, bruh. Anyway, as I was saying,
These
dog.
two.
Nah. Yeah, and then we're busy with the cow and stuff. And then, you know, they tend to, because I was the only one disabled there and so on. So they automatically told themselves, well, I can't do certain stuff, but I can do certain stuff, but I don't know. They don't know, pardon me. They don't know that I can do certain stuff. That's the only thing I don't like.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, if it's unamfana Popo. Puri guy. Bola.
Man. And
Puri.
talking about that, I feel like with friends it's different because like abangani bakho yakwazi ukudlala i-wrestling nabo, yakwazi ukwenza 179, then abazali yibo abangafuni. I feel like ama-family member yiwo angafuni ukuthi wenze izinto, like they don't allow you ukuthi wenze 1 2 3, or at least ke bafuna ukukufundisa, because in most cases abantu aba-disabled abafundisi ukwenza izinto. Yabo.
And abazali bakhona abazali babantwana aba-disabled, like abanye they tend to spoil abantwana babo too much.
Me, I enjoy it.
Like
personally.
they do not let them out ukuthi so that they can experience life on themselves. They spoil them to an extent whereby they do everything for them. And yeah, bayasaba ukuthi maybe makaphuma ngaphandle uzoyibulala, makabona abantu nanani. And then after that automatically destroys the child because they don't know how to hustle. Bro, we know how to hustle. You know work, I know work. Young tall. But then there are certain people that living with disability, ne? But they don't know how to hustle. They are spoon-fed with every single thing. Young tall. That's what breaks and kills us more, so that we cannot be seen in the society.
In the society. It's crazy.
Yes.
How do you want to be viewed, darling?
Yo, I want to be viewed like beyond disability in terms of like I want people to see my capabilities more than how I look or how I am. Yeah, but things that I can do. I don't think people like maybe ngihlangana nomuntu uzothi uyakwazi ukujiva, things like that. I want them to see, okay, this is a dancer or a disability. Not ukuthi ujiva kanjani whatever. Nah.
But what if they're just curious and want to know?
No, why you curious?
No, you know why? Because certain people don't expect disabled people to be able to dance.
You see, that's where the problem starts.
What do you mean? It's your job to educate them, though.
My job.
You are a disabled person on a disabled podcast.
Why bangicabangela ukuthi I can't
No,
do
listen.
certain
Okay,
things?
what if a friend came up to you and was like, I saw your TikTok videos. How do you do it? Because some disabled people can't do it. How would you answer that?
I don't know. Honestly.
Exactly.
Honestly, I
You
don't
see?
know. Mara,
Man, mina ngifola under Uvuchila, dog. I feel like I want to be viewed on what I can do, not on how I
yeah.
look.
Yes.
That's exactly what I'm
I-
thinking about.
I want to be viewed on what I can do, on not
Facts,
like
facts.
ukuthi ngibukeka kanjani.
Yeah.
I mean, when you see me, bona i-podcaster, bona i-swimmer, bona
Exactly.
like
Ngoba umuntu
Bona
yeah,
isi-
ungabona
bona
umuntu
idancer.
yabo,
and
you see.
so on. Cause
Like beyond.
beyond,
like,
yeah,
that.
ngiyayizwisisa.
Yes.
Because
I get you guys.
disability yethu ne, our disabilities don't mean ukuthi we are limited to them. We just have them as a barrier, but we can do much more than we can do with them, like sikwazi ukwenza ngaphezulu ne, we can do more with us having our disabilities,
Yes, I get you.
and we can achieve more with our disabilities.
Yeah.
We are not limited to them.
We are
We just
not.
have them. Like for me, for example, I am a cerebral palsy ne? I have cerebral palsy,
CP.
but it's cerebral palsy it's just a name, it's there, cerebral palsy, but I cannot do less than a cerebral palsy. I
True.
understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Yeah,
but
man.
Me, I feel you guys though. I
You
get your
should.
perspective though.
You
Then
should.
last question kulento disability is that what are the challenges you are avoiding as an individual when it comes to dating umuntu onormal?
Yeah, let me
You
start.
can start, yeah.
The challenges that I'm avoiding is that, okay, let's say I'm in a relationship with a normal guy.
Bekanenzani ngobulima zinja?
Ukalusha.
Loku niyachitha sila.
Wow.
Guys, anyway, like let's say I'm in a relationship with a normal person. I know, obviously, magaphuma kim uyobona other girls, obviously, that are pretty without a disability, and of course uzoba approach. So that is me breaking my own heart because, yeah, that's my fear of dating a disabled person.
Do you think disability yakulimita when it comes to relationships and stuff?
Yes.
And how?
Because angazi how, but abantu abaningi they don't want to date umuntu disabled.
Ufila ngathi like you are below the competition.
Mara like mini question ukuthi why you feel ngazathi
Because
okay. Why you feel ngazathi umuntu ne or able makajola nawe bese ayaphuma anyeke azafune omunye umuntu disabled uzofuna ukujola nomunye umuntu onormal, or like why you feel ngazathi wena manixabe or like makwenzeke something phakathi kwakho ne boyfriend akhe able, why you feel ngazathi manixabana bese ningasakhulumi, wacabanga ukuthi he's going to look for someone else? What if he's thinking about you?
because into engenza ukuthi ngicabange lokho is because
You insecure?
no, I'm not insecure.
You not?
Nah. It's because like I have a disability and some things, not everything I can't do. Ne, maybe naye izemenza ukuthi maybe I feel it somehow. So obvious masixabene uzohamba yofuna ntombazana normal enhle. Ashiye mina sikhwele. Yebo?
Everybody is.
Mara like make it ntwana ne yazini into ebhlungu. I don't want to lie to you, like Tina, as people that living with a disability, we underestimate ourselves. So how do we want abantu able to underestimate
Yeah, most of disabled people really underestimate
True.
themselves?
Yeah.
instead of taking the advantage and use it for themselves. Like ibasebenzele, use it
Yabo.
on your favor. In terms of yazi ka mina like ngiyafika to the point yokuthi ngimtshela ugirl ka ukuthi wena awufuni ukujola nami ngoba ngidisabled na. Yes or no? Give me a chance.
Angithola sibona ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Phela ningama out and you have that
We have what?
courage yokuthi yazi nentombazana le eyam.
Ah,
Thina ezamantombazana
ayikho
it's
lento
so
leyo.
hard ukushela
Yeah.
umfana. Mina the okay.
Vuchila.
Let me stop. It's so hard
Mamela.
ukushela umfana thina ezamantombazana. Cabanga sengine disability
Washela
ngiyahamba.
wena?
No. Sengine disability I'm going lapha ngi-approach normal guy ngithi I like you. Uzocabangani?
Uyazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukuthi approach intombazana?
No, you guys. I feel like it's easier for you guys.
It's
It's
not.
easier, man.
It's easier.
What?
The worst he can say is no.
Exactly.
It's
You
not
see,
like
it's easier.
it's
It's not
easier
like
going to a
us.
girl bezumtshela istory sakho
Face to face.
face
Yes.
to face, boy. Like
I
it's
feel
the
like
worst
it's
he can
easier
say is
for you.
no. Over uqale nge-topic, hey girl, happy siyawa. So yeah, shit. Like
Nje.
the worst he can say is no. Otherwise, do you think your disability is limiting you in like gumjolo wise?
Jolo wise.
Yes.
Ish, now if it's Lankiti,
Aye.
Nagaratum Jolo.
Man.
Sir!
Pierre answer.
Okay, let me
Boring.
give you the honest answer. I don't think it's limiting me. The only part what I don't like about approaching a girl is how I look when approaching a girl. But you know my walk is weird, dog. Especially especially when I've had a few.
The rings,
Thought.
yeah.
So my walk is weird. That's the only part that I'm uncomfortable with.
Mm-hmm.
But then when I'm sober and then I see my type, when I
I
see my type
You approach your
up
type.
front, public, ke go greya, bruh. Yeah, it's either I lie and say I had an accident, but
Shall I
and
say
it's
more?
rare.
I don't know how many times I've said that, Michelle.
Ukuthi
Somebody sees who now.
Especially Uber driver.
Kumula Max.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Bas Wuzuguti, what happened to you guys? Why are you guys like things? No, we had an accident.
What's I forgot to explain?
Why funny?
But it is an accident.
It's an accident.
Not an accident.
It's
To
not.
you, it's an incident.
Yes.
Incident. To me, to me, it's an incident that happened. That's what caused it.
Oh, okay.
You can answer the question. Man.
Okay.
Not a car accident, but then
Wait,
it's an incident
by
by the hospital.
Bayazini. Oh.
So, wait.
By the
I have
hospital.
a
You
question.
get it,
Yeah,
ne?
yeah,
You get
yeah.
it, ne? Yeah.
Ankere,
By the
huh?
hospital.
Ankere, you were born like this. Ankere,
No.
you're not born with cerebral palsy.
No, guys.
Don't you get it
You
from birth?
know how cerebral palsy occurs, ne?
I thought
Bruh,
you get it from
cerebral
birth.
palsy is like
Huh.
you see when
Ah,
a parent.
Hi, Bo.
Yeah, I'll go. How?
When is a sweat?
Cerebral palsy, ne? Bruh, cerebral palsy happens in many ways.
But so
dog.
then aren't you born with
It's
cerebral
like
palsy?
no.
You are.
You
But
know,
Abanya
Junior
no,
na
listen.
yazi for the accident.
Hey,
No,
Mama is not
no,
born
no,
with
no, no,
cerebral
no, no.
You
palsy.
can't
You know-
be an
you know-
accident and be a CP.
You
Like,
know what
honestly
happened with
speaking,
me,
you can't.
dog? Me, they found out that I had cerebral palsy when I was like around 4, according to my
Maybe they
mother.
didn't see it.
Around 4. So, my mother could have sued the hospital. Why you so kind, dog?
Maka like Usua Emma. Like
No, you
Mauza
know why
Leno-
you too.
Him. Okay, why?
You know why
Sure.
you too?
Mawuthole
Cause-
injection wrong.
Because,
Mauza
and
laying indlela wrong.
Why
Ah,
did you sue
no,
Isibhedlela?
no. It's
Hey,
not.
awusuki
It's not.
isibhedlela, kanjani?
Listen, my
Listen.
taitai, listen.
Sure.
When,
Maka make it ambo kalush.
Ngingangifaki mina seningibhore kudala.
my
but
taitai,
continue.
bega kao. Ne. When your mother has a C-section, right? Ne, a doctor tells your mother advance that there's a possibility that you would have a C-section. Now with me, it happened. They did not tell my mother that, okay, look, you're gonna have a possibility of a C-section where they do they cut the belly and then they take out the baby.
We first born.
Ne?
We first
Me,
born.
middle.
But what if your mother already knew the procedure, dog?
No, the procedure was supposed to go as normal as usual. But the doctors, ne, after I was born, were not able to like diagnose what I have. Cause around around 3 years old. Around 3 or 2 years old, children are crawling, ne? Children are crawling and stuff, ne? So while children are crawling and stuff, me around 3, I was crawling until I was like 4. So they couldn't diagnose the problem. And it's the hospital's or the doctor's problem to diagnose that problem, to tell you, okay, your child may possibly have this certain problem. But they didn't know.
So,
So lawfully, my mother could have sued that hospital.
nah.
They could have.
Hey, I'm not into politics, so I cannot deny or agree.
Lawfully. I
Brother.
hope they listen to this episode.
Does your disability limit you in relationships?
It depends. Honestly speaking, it depends. Like it depends on what type of person I'm dating. You understand? Like there are certain people that we date.
Afethu wayenithanda ama-PR answer.
Oh, sorry.
Like ayikho
My
But,
disability. Okay, sharp.
mara like
Utoishen sakho ngicokhuluma kalosh.
sorry,
It is my
data.
disability, ne? It does not limit me on. Yeah, it does not.
why? Usho kanjani?
Because it depends on a person. Would see how does a person view you.
Facts.
You know, there are certain people that are insecure, and there are certain people that feel like when you are dating them is true love, and they're able-bodied.
Exactly. And like, don't you get those type of people, that normal people, that when they see you with a disabled partner in public, they feel some type of insecure, like they're gonna be judged in public.
I think everyone disabled go relationship with disability affect.
True.
Everyone.
I mean,
Everyone,
like a normal
Hear-
person,
Hear me out.
Everyone.
like a normal person. Arere ujola muto normal.
Yeah.
And then you go to the mall, and then what if they're afraid to be seen with you at the mall?
That's part of the limitation.
You see, so
Yeah,
everyone
but-
has a
Facts.
Yeah,
problem.
but that's why you need to think of wonke umuntu disabled,
Yes.
like yam limit. For example, I like enye into engibhora is that okay, ithi ngingafaki mina, but like mawumuntu disabled, more especially ujola nomuntu normal, siyafika leso sikhathi where kuzoyenzeka into ongakwazi ukuyenza.
Facts.
And it's something simple. Maybe
Trampoline.
nihamba njengama-dragon and umuntu enifuna niye ku-climbing date
Yeah,
failed.
You see.
Yabo.
Especially a trampoline.
Yeah, there's
Yabo
always-
trampoline.
Nah, I
you
can't do. You can do it.
You
There's
see?
always something.
So there's always
also
something.
can
For
do
example, maybe ngijole no-girl islay queen nyana. Ngijole ne-slay queen nyana, then sisifuna ngikuke wonke amabheg wakhe manje. I mean, maybe the max I can pick it's 4. What if wena sonamaplastic ayi-8 manje nani sekumele ngenze njani manje nkosi?
Yabo.
Yabo,
Semali
things like that.
ziguge
So I feel
zonke.
like wonke umuntu disabled, like i-disability izomlimita when it comes to relationships. It's just that sometimes the partner might not tell you the honest truth ukuthi ufila
facts,
kanjani about
facts.
this
True.
situation,
Yes.
minding ukuthi like kuzohetha ama
Especially with
feelings
the
wakho.
physical activities.
Especially with the physical activities. Yabo. And talking about that, man, I wanted to ask ukuthi, do you prefer being told the truth, or someone has to consider your feelings? I appreciate it.
I mean, I prefer being told.
Or
the truth.
Same.
let's stick to partner wise. Do you prefer
Truth,
umuntu
boy.
wakho akutshela ukuthi
Ngiyenza so na so.
yo baby, angifuni ukuqamba manga, mina ngiyahalela ukuthi seku 1 2 3 and wena ukwazi ukwenza 1 2 3.
Yabo, sure.
But like akhuluma izinto ezimbhorayo ku relationship, or prefera azithulele then yonke into isebenze perfectly fine?
Akazikhulumele.
Wona
bana.
khuluma
Akazikhulumele.
iqiniso,
Yeah,
why?
Then-
you know why?
Why?
Because like when they decide to keep quiet, they will go out there. Excuse me. They will go out there and seek for better.
Facts.
And then in their head, they will be like, you are clinging to them because you are disabled.
But if uyakutshela, ayisho nonke nithi nifuna akhulume,
Yebo.
but if uyakutshela, it's something that you cannot do. What difference is it going to make, and
Uzozama.
what are you going to do about it?
Uzozama ubone ukuthi is there something that you can do to make that part
Exactly,
better?
Ah,
Then
nje
you-
mina
then
umuntu
ufihla
wama
ama-feelings
umuntu wamanyeka angitshela ukuthi usodlala ibhola bese kumele ngiyodlala ibhola phambi kwabantu ngigijima njengefrog. That will never happen.
Wow.
So it's either akangitsheli lelo side lakhe, or angitshele ngimtshele ukuthi I can do nothing about that. So uyakhetha ukuthi siyaqhubeka or siyahlukana.
Angcono akutshele ndoda.
So
Uwazi ukuthi umephi nawe.
but it makes no
man.
difference, bro.
Yeah, dog, like there
Nokufika.
are some things you
okay.
can't change.
There are some things you can't change,
But
bro.
be honest. How?
But I appreciate the honesty though. Like,
Yeah, be
you
honest.
know.
At least.
Yeah, so
Mara, boy, mina child varne. Honestly speaking, like I feel like if intombazane uzoyitshela the way uzizwa ngakhona, I feel like amantombazane ane-patience, especially if you get someone that you love and they also love you back, not someone that you love alone. They have patience. They can build you. Young sir. They can make you a better person. So if like you guys sit down and start speaking Gucci, and then she tells you Gucci, I know you can't do this, but I would love to have something like this. Yeah, but now as an individual, you start learning Gucci, how do I do something like this? Max, we never just started cooking. We learned how to cook, right? So everything that we decide to do, it has a step
for sure.
on how it works.
But what you're saying, it's different, dog. In terms of what we are talking about currently. I mean, I'm telling you now that girl can tell you that she's not happy with something you cannot permanently change.
That's
Ne?
tough.
Facts.
You can never. Okay.
My when okay
Like,
sharp.
so like-
When ungayenza
I,
kanjani?
I almost said something that I'm not
what?
supposed to say.
Ima.
But
Okay
when
sharp.
it comes to me,
Sharp, okay. Like something that you cannot permanently change. When again in a situation like that, ungayenza njani when? Like ungamvumela ukuthi ahambe ye ngaphandle ayothola umuntu yangithola.
nah, mina ngithi, darling, ungangitsheli sizama ukuba happy the way sikwazi ukuba happy ngakhona, number one.
Sure.
Number two, if honesty is what we want, then ngitshele ukuthi 1 2 3 nami ngikutshele dog, the situation okhala ngayo won't change.
Yeah.
So what are we dalaring about
Sure.
that? Yabo.
Ngiyahlukana or niyaqhubeka?
Sahlukana or saqhubeka or what? And yeah, man, talking about lento yama disability and relationships, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi how do you all feel about abantu abanormal bathi mina soze ngijole nomuntu disabled?
Amen.
How do you feel about that?
That it hurts, Shem, because sinama type la ngaphandle and so you saying yo cabanga saying so we type yami bese nguzwa uthi mina ngeke ngitshele nomuntu disabled ibhlungu.
Okay, then excluding the part, umuntu avela asho ukuthi like it's just him. Asho yena ukuthi angisiboni ngitshola nomuntu disabled, anyeke ngitshole nomuntu disabled. How do you feel about that and what's your say about that?
Okay, if it's that case okwakhe ke it's his opinion, ngeke ajole nomuntu disabled, ngeke ngimforce, ngeke ngimchange ingqondo into ayiqabangayo.
Facts.
Wena, you feel the same way?
Me, bro, dog, nakitsedi lo belong, bruh. It's your own opinion at the end of the day, dog. Cause, you know, you can't force people to like you and love you.
You
know, ish.
Do you
It
feel
was-
the same way, dog?
I do. No, I don't. Reason being, Tina as I'm out, like for example, I grew up with able-bodied gents. And the mentality was always that if intombazane ithi no, we should say yes.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Serious.
Yeah.
Of course.
But
No,
it-
therefore,
it's
but like-
it's based on how she acts, magashi
Yeah.
no.
Fair.
Magas, you
I mean,
know.
like body language
There's
is
like
everything.
Yeah.
flirtish.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
like that
Yeah.
Body
flirtish
language
no.
There's
is
like-
everything. Too.
That flirtish no.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah, bro.
that
And
straight
then there's
no.
high,
I footek.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
But yeah, I get
Too
what
bad.
you say.
Yeah, too bad.
I get what you
Shying about.
But
I'm
otherwise,
Sudan,
you can
footek means
continue.
Go away. Continue, dog.
Yeah, as I was saying, like kuya ngokuthi ne umuntu ne like mankhuluma, like cause thina as I'm out, as I was saying ukuthi like intombazane ikwazi ukuthi ithi hayi, thina emakhanda wethu sicabanga ukuthi uthi
Uthi
yebo,
yeah.
yabo. So mina angivumelani nabo abovutshile.
Fair.
Mina ngivumelana nokuthi it depends on how you speak and how you act.
Phela ngeke uwoshelayo mina ngisheli phela.
Yabo ntwana.
Dog,
Hlukana la.
that shit makes me feel like we are less human, bro.
Yeah, it's not nice.
Like, what do you mean, ukuthi angeke ujole nomuntu disabled. Oh. Like, what do you mean?
It's their
Imagine you've got
preference.
all the looks.
Nah,
it's
besides
just the disability.
besides the
It's what they
preference,
prefer.
dog.
No,
It makes
but,
us listen. As I said, this is like an umbrella, bro, that we all fall under.
Yes.
Now, when you come and say you want to date someone who is disabled, remember, remember, there are people that can do everything by themselves,
Sure.
but they are under disabled.
Yes.
The word disability. Maybe he or she is disabled just because agana one finger, could have 5 fingers. Now he's considered disabled. Now when you come and say, anyege ujole nomuntu disabled, so it shows ukuthi you don't care ukuthi how much money this guy has, what can he do or what can she do, like ama capabilities wakhe.
Sure.
It's like when I saw ibhalile wena vele ku statement samaphoyisa ukuthi lo disabled makafi akanampilo,
Sure.
yabo, something like that. So yeah, man, it makes me feel like we are less women and like yeah,
and that's
it
food.
makes
And
no
that's
sense.
food, dog.
Siqomeni siqomeni futhi thina abantu abadisabled sinekwababa nishele futhi nize
Wala.
Like,
yeah.
ngeke sijolane sodwa forever.
Ngeke
No,
sijolane
but that's
sodwa,
enye
ka.
into boy.
And for the fact that it makes high chances ukuthi ube nomntwana disabled, maye nayo yonke igeneration maye mele kube yihwele usandlana unyawana ulihlwana unkomana yonke
Abantwana
ifamily,
bethu
maye,
ke
come
bona.
on, dog. Yabo.
Yeah, and yeah.
Yeah, man.
But anyway,
Oh yeah. Apologies. Okay, yeah. You wanna
anyway,
say something?
yeah, no, bro, continue.
Oh, otherwise, yeah. Niggas, culture of the day, chaotic thoughts. Where should they start, man?
Yo, can I start?
How we
Can I
chill.
please
Where should,
start?
do you wanna start?
Can I please
Do you wanna?
start?
Do you want to
mind
start?
if I
first? Do
start?
you mind if he starts?
You can start.
Okay.
I'm so sorry, pardon me. But yo, cow, bonili match Bafana
Yo,
Bafana.
I knew it.
Dog,
Dog.
Bro.
Game.
Friday could have played like that against Egypt, dog.
But
Like,
we like
the first
yeah, one of that game.
Egypt.
This
against
in a
did
chance
you watch the match?
against
No.
Mexico, dog.
Mexico.
Oh, Mexico.
Yeah,
Hey,
when I go to game
Askies,
there, Korea
Askies.
Republic, boy.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
had a chance to win a 3-0
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
We were so good,
This guy
like
Maseko.
bro.
Umaseka i-3
Yo,
pairs.
fun.
Nah,
Like
Yo.
the coach could have started with that lineup that he started with this previous game.
lapha ku-Mexico.
Get-
Bra- TLP
Ngabaswile.
Mbogaz.
Mbogaz.
Easy.
Mbogaz.
I choose, guess what?
Defend, they have a defend.
Guess what the coach
Huh?
says, bro?
No,
Ithi leya
dog.
coach leya, are you sure we all know Guti? The lineup against Mexico was fucked up,
Yeah,
bro. Let's
5
keep it a buck.
defenders.
I think it was just
That's
trying to
fact.
keep us
For
in
the
the
fact
game,
that
bro.
you go to defender, I'm not defender I5, I'm not attacking.
It was bad.
Akuna no
Exactly.
mufukeng we game
His-
control.
His
Abang.
whole game that day.
Dog, the
Abo
Mexico
Selele,
game was so
bebangeke.
fucked
It
up.
was
And now
just defense.
on the internet bekunalento leva yayo ethi sifuna lokhu in the game, like
Exactly.
bohlezi ubona
Yeah.
lama video la ukuthi
Yeah,
sicela
yeah.
lineup ibe kanje,
Yeah.
because I mean we watch these people, we know how these people play.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now the response of Hugo Bruce was, I won't listen to the nonsense of the internet. I am the coach, I know what is right
I
and
make my
wrong
own
and so on. Okay, into Ishido, that's bullshit, bro.
Yeah.
I'ma
No,
keep it a
but,
buck. That's
but
bullshit.
he knows
I'm just
what's right eternally.
nah, bro.
Not
I'm just,
externally.
Nah, bro,
I'm
don't do
glad
that.
Hugo Bruce, bro, said that. Then he literally
Did it.
did what we told him to do
Yeah,
the next
bona.
game.
Yeah, exactly.
bro.
Benyeka
You
yenza
see? Makes no
futhi.
sense.
You see?
Benyeka ayibone
So he
lento
did
leyo.
listen to the internet.
Yeah, but so he did listen to the internet. It's just that bekazenza leso steering
Ukuthi
kuma
ucoach,
camera
coach,
nanani
coach.
ukuthi
Amen.
ucoach. And guys,
Mara
I,
abafana badlalile.
dog, I wanna
Other players.
I wanna congratulate South Africa.
You see
boy.
that extra minute
Yo.
that they gave during 90 minutes while it was done?
Yeah.
It was the longest 6 minutes of my life.
And then they wanted to score.
Benimile na.
They wanted
Iti le out le.
Biloke le so Brian.
Iti le out le ku TikTok. Girls, do you understand when we say 6 minutes is a lot?
Yo.
Just because of layer sin layer. So if you understand, you understand.
No, it was a lot. Hey, yo, 6
Brian
minutes.
was a lot. Maseko, I don't know how many goals he
He
missed.
missed, dog.
3.
But yeah, man. So
But the
mina,
defenders were good though.
but I just want to say congratulations to Bafana Bafana.
Ah, mfethu.
And
Did you see? Wait, did you see how Korea was training?
le ndoda baheda
And
ngayo.
abantu bashaya insimbi
Ah,
ngamashoti.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
almost forget your life.
Tina
Tina
bethenga ijwela.
Yeah.
Tina
Studying
Sure.
like
But I had
the
hope.
day
Yo,
before the
you gave me a
exam.
I also had
Like
hope,
Sasa,
man.
I have hope.
And like
Kane,
owner ye-FIFA dog makaredi makasidlalisa i-final lawa amanye ama-games wadlala apha
So I want an
and
Sonia
ngisayideserve
Argentina.
i-final mabasiphi iportugal nje sidlala i-final
Yes,
Yeah,
win
Argentina,
one.
South
France.
Africa versus Ronaldo.
Ah,
Asien.
dog
Mara like mina.
Ronaldo is weak. Bring me.
sinombapi edoda bring them combined
Messi.
man
And,
Mbappe
which
versus
one?
Wonke abantu
Ronaldo.
Mbappe,
bahlanganisa.
Messi, Neymar.
Guys,
Sinothebhisi
mina,
nomfuteni
I have a
sinekhansi
feeling.
Right.
I have a feeling deep down ukuthi Tina as a South Africa, even if people underestimate us, we can take this home.
besingayithatha
They,
We
they
can
so
take this
underestimate
home.
soccer. Good
I
South
feel like
Africa.
South Africa.
the
They say us
problem-
And there is
down.
potential.
I feel
and
like-
enjami yabona
I
if
feel like
sawine so
the-
isishanga ama-1-0 kanje
Yeah.
wonke
So,
ama-game
Yabo.
Yeah.
That's the
Like
thing.
Sasa.
The problem with the South African team, I feel like it's the goals.
yeah
man.
mfana ipalace
yeah,
live
Yeah, it's the goal.
Hayi, Palace
So
Live.
Captain,
Is
it
like,
too small? Is it too big?
Mfuking lazy.
2
Wow.
games akadlalanga.
After,
Yabona.
after the second game.
Yeah, zi.
and le ntwana leya is too good man
Like ne pace yakhe like
Choo!
yo.
Ukwile commentator yako France re.
Yeke.
Really Mufokeng is the player to watch during the match. Bro, did you see how many opportunities he created to a
Dog.
cross?
Yeah, he
Dog.
did.
To a cross.
To a cross, but that boy is too.
Do you know what's a
that's
cross?
Talented
My
young
data
man.
account.
And he's very young, yes.
He's very young.
Oh.
Our age, to
20,
be exact.
No, he's
20
2004.
something, 24.
2004.
22.
2004 or 2004 is
23.
20.
3.
2004.
2005.
2004.
Hey, dog, angeke silwe ngale
Una
age.
God, the
23.
It's our
commentator
age
said it.
group.
He's 20 this year.
It's our
20
age group.
old.
Umuntu ona
fine.
20 umbokazi.
So guys,
Hey.
besides South
10 or
Africa, ne,
21.
besides South Africa, yiphi i-team ofuna iwin or that you think it will win
Besides
and
South
why?
Africa.
Besides South Africa, because we are South Africans, and the only thing we have hope for is South Africa,
Okay,
Fuck
besides
this other
South
country,
Africa,
man.
Argentina.
Argentina.
For
Why?
me. Because, like,
You think Messi is better than Ronaldo?
no.
Name,
okay.
name 3 players in Argentina.
Messi. Ngazi uMessi.
Di Maria, no. Okay, do you think Messi is better than Ronaldo?
Fact, he is.
What? May we please steal 2
Yeah.
minutes of this
Ungathi
debate?
ha, ungathi
Lord, may I
ha.
please just take 2
Ungathi
minutes of this?
ha,
Why?
ungathi
Okay,
ha.
why?
I feel like
Bruh,
how Messi
Ronaldo,
Why do you think? Bafethu benibukela ibhola ngo-2010.
Hayi bengayibukeli.
Benibukela ibhola ngo-2014. Benibukela ibhola.
Listen. Ne,
How Messi
ne,
affects-
listen.
Mm.
Bro, if we look at the numbers, ne,
Of what?
the
Thank you very much.
statistics.
Thank you very
The
much.
statistics.
Thank you very much.
Mpanaga,
Yeah, of what?
ne, Golden Boot. Who has the most between Messi and Ronaldo?
Okay,
Yes.
let's go there. Let's go there. Ne?
Who has the most?
No, Messi has more. Let's go there.
Sharp.
If no,
Sharp.
no, no, let me
No,
respond.
what
No,
else?
let me respond.
What else?
Let me respond.
else?
Let me respond.
Hey.
If you feel like golden what defines a player, why
Okay.
does not goals define the player? Who
Okay.
has wait.
How many
It's
goals
in
does
Ivan.
Messi have?
Dog,
How many
912.
goals? Ah,
900 and something.
no, my dog.
Google it now.
It's
It's
not-
912.
Facts.
Ronaldo is the player who has
Fact
more goals
checker.
in the whole
Fact
world.
checker, my dog.
Ronaldo is the player who has more records, bro.
I know he has 900
Fact,
and
nah,
something.
actually,
Messi.
Messi.
Messi,
No,
Ronaldo has more.
Messi.
Oh.
Messi. Last match he broke the record. I tell you.
No Ronaldo in last match, bro.
No!
Ronaldo
Ronaldo was
Guys,
out
both
last
of them.
match.
Let's not
Ronaldo.
Let's not waste time. Let me tell you, Chad.
Ronaldo misses a goal, bruh.
So what?
Ali inside the box,
So what?
my bruh.
Look how Ronaldo good is, dog. Ronaldo played one game, 2 goals, and he broke 3 records in one game. So do me a favor. No, just do me a young favor. Check the goals.
And I'm trying to mess number.
Dog,
That's it.
We'll, like, dog, let's keep this debate for another time.
Why?
I want you to just, no, don't do that. Just check the goals, dog.
Ronaldo.
Check the goals, bro.
That's what I'm doing.
And you can check the records, like the world records too. Like check the goals, check the records. Numbers never lie, bro. Ronaldo is too good, boy. Ronaldo. Okay, thank you. How many goals?
You know what it says? Overall, Messi has more records in creativity, awards, and some
Records.
chief.
Check out my stats.
Records. Check out my
Let,
stats.
let me finish.
Okay.
And some team achievements. While Ronaldo has more goal scoring and longevity records. Right?
Besides, okay. Fuck. I'm Kenyan Tuana.
Messi has more. He has the most Ballon d'Or awards, most assists in football history.
And Ronaldo has more goals in football history. He has more records. Boy,
Messi's too good,
boy,
man.
Let
go
me
Argentina,
finish.
we had Maradona.
No.
No one can do what Ronaldo does, bro.
Maradona ke mfalanya.
No,
Most
Stop,
assists.
Most
Most assists.
Boy, I don't know
In football
history.
Dog, I don't know
Most goals in calendar year 91 and in 2012.
Boy.
What did Ronaldo have during
Boy,
those 2 years?
let me tell
bruh?
you, boy.
Okay,
And
sharp, guys. Oh.
Most World
That
Cup.
was like
How-
Galush.
how-
Let's
Because
say
of-
that
because
the
of-
odds
how
for
many?
us
How
is-
many?
Because of
how many
information
World
value.
Cups? How many World Cups has Ronaldo has won?
Oh,
Galush.
not one. No,
Wow.
listen. Let
How
me
many?
tell you something. ne?
How many?
Let me know. This is the closest.
Because of
Okay, how many has
value.
Port-
Because of
Portugal has
information
won?
value.
Dog,
How many has Portugal has won?
quite a few, you know, maybe
How
3.
many?
3.
My brother, who's this? Messi, ne? Not Messi. Apologies.
iPortugal
Messi.
akaziwini World Cup until
Exactly.
Ronaldo afike.
No,
Because of
he
information
still hasn't
value,
won.
Galush.
Dog,
Because
okay,
of
sharp.
information
Guys,
value.
Njami, thing ends the closing statement, boy. Ne? If you feel like I'm a talent pure or what, Messi as a player, as well as goals should.
Nah, my
Ronaldo,
bro.
no. Now I'm telling you facts.
Ronaldo has
Sharp,
an
you love
ego, dog.
Which
Ronaldo.
Fuck you.
Ronaldo
Just
too.
Ronaldo
Ronaldo too.
again,
Ah,
because
Because
of
of
his
his
Dog.
value. Because of his
Ronaldo.
Fuck you.
Ronaldo
Because of his
took
disvalue.
credit of a goal
Now guess
that
what?
he didn't even score.
Now guess what?
Bruh, Ronaldo has an ego,
Now
dog.
guess what?
He has an
guys.
Now
ego.
Now guess what? We
What?
don't give a fuck.
Ah, I give a fuck. I give a shit.
Yes, lento
Guys,
naifana
stop
nani?
swearing, Haibo.
Yes, lento naifana nani?
Apologies.
Listen,
excuse,
lento
excuse.
naifana nani? Lento naifana njengokabza nomaphorisa boy.
Yabon.
But
Lento naifana
Kabza is a legend.
I
Uzwa.
guess.
Yangihlanyisa wena sana. Yabona lento ngikhuluma ngayo kaw. Yazi ne lento na it's like ngingene gaming kaw. I'm the king, I'm the father. Ne? Now because of suddenly, luckily enough, 1,000 years later you are better than me. So sibona ngcono.
Yeah,
I
but-
created this shit.
And you
I've
made
done
it.
this more than you.
Kabza
Dog, no
is
way.
better than my Boris. Fact.
I hate this.
Maphorisa.
We don't have time for you. Network.
Maphorisa creates commercial.
Okay,
I'm a
Mutubana,
piano.
What commercial, boy?
Commercial
Okay,
is what
okay,
you see
no.
on TikTok.
ukabza
On
uze
a daily
ukabza uze
That
nomaphorisa
boring. That
boring
That boring.
ukabza
Amapiano.
maphorisa dog.
Kabza, no,
Dog, fact,
no.
no, okay.
Amaphorisa produces.
Amaphorisa-
Okay, last point.
Hi,
Maphorisa ne produces quantity over quality, my guy.
Dog,
Have you heard Kabza the Smalls music?
dog ukabza
It's quality
What quality?
over
What is
quantity.
quality? What is
Because
that?
I ain't
Guy, listen to the album that's called.
Whoa.
Ah, whoa.
boy.
Tell him
We are
you
king.
don't.
What you saying
Cow.
has no sense.
Cow. Commercial.
Mike
amapiano.
yakho Max Mike.
Commercial amapiano is nothing compared to
This nigga
exclusive.
say
Ama exclusive in
this guy
town.
talks a lot of.
I get one comment
Umuntu talks a lot of
I get
nothing.
one comment
What did I do?
Utwa Soweto exclusive.
Umuntu talks a
Running
lot
the
of
cars
I
nothing.
didn't
right
even say
now.
anything about my
Right.
recent
Commercial.
cancer.
You are
Commercial
talking a lot of
Masimba.
nothing,
Oh,
boy.
Scott. Yo, but for real though, did you see Scott's recent
Nyakasa niphathisa
Scott's
ikhanda.
recent
Yo.
MC event?
Okay guys.
Now
yo.
compared to young Kausas.
Is
Ah,
it-
umntwana
let's keep
ungayikali
it-
nawe,
is-
hayi.
let's keep it a bug. Is he that good though?
Who Kabza?
No.
Who? Scott.
Ngizoze
Ubani,
ngizonde.
Kaw?
Nah, it's fine.
Oh, Sholu.
Ngizoze ngizonde, it's
Yo,
fine.
ngiyabona.
But is he that good? It's like the music that is here today. Is it music? Do we call this shit music?
Commercial or exclusive?
No, commercial. What do we listen to?
Commercial is shit.
What do we see?
It doesn't make sense.
Now the person you just mentioned falls under
Kabza.
commercial or.
It doesn't fall under commercial.
Thank you very much
Kabza
for
the
watching
small-
this episode.
Kabza the small.
Danko.
Makes
When we
exclusive.
try again in this episode.
Yo,
Because he
Kabza
doesn't
over
know the
everything.
culture.
Akazazi akayazi.
He doesn't know
For like
what the-
it's culture.
Yo, okay.
What culture do you know?
Exclusives.
Lama,
For like-
hey.
Have you ever heard
Oh,
an exclusive
darling.
before?
Mntwana ngizozondwa yazi for le nto leyo.
Exclusive.
Why? Yazini ne?
Kalusha isiqabanisa uzoziqabanisa nabantu.
Uyayazi le nto leyo ukuthi
Over
uyayazi le nto
everything.
leyo ukuthi unama points ne? It's just that ufila ngathi mawungawakhipha they will be viewed somehow. Now
wrong.
now kuzoba ngathi umekezi manje. Is that I mean we starting this thing we wanted to go
Asikuleni-ke la,
now then
afike.
sesizothola ama sesizodiswa
Ayikho
bobenzu.
asikuleni la.
Okay, let's move on.
But yeah man asayitshayile bafethu yini beninjoya
Bye,
kakhulu
guys.
Sala.
asishonga namakhethi kutethu wethu sonke but it's fine
That's fine.
bye
Danko.